I can't sleep tonight, wide awake and so confused. Everything's in line, but I am bruised. I need a voice to echo, I need a light to take me home. I kinda need a hero, is it you? I've never seen the forest for the trees, I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind, I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. You could be my sanity, but bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. Somebody speak to me, 'cause I'm feeling like hell. Need you to answer me, I'm overwhelmed. I need a voice to echo, I need a light to take me home. I need a star to follow, I don't know. I'll never see the forest for the trees, I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind, I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. You could be my sanity, but bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. I don't know what I'd do without you. Your words are like a whisper coming through. As long as you're with me here tonight, I'm good. Say you'll be my nightingale. Feel so close, I know you're there. Oh, nightingale, sing to me, I know you're there. 'Cause baby, you're my sanity, you bring me peace and sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. Oh. Thank you guys for watching. That was Nightingale by Demi Lovato, one of my favorite songs to sing. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it away as well. Thank you guys.